definite, singular, masculine, marfu. MashaAllah. Samim.
It's definite.
Definite.
Ani or ana.
Ani.
Ani is musanna.
Musanna.
Masculine.
Masculine.
And ani is rafa.
Rafa form. Excellent. I am making an amendment here. I am putting a bracket here. And without bracket, this has been okay, so that you don't get confused. We have to form rules first. Then, okay, al kitabu hakimun. What is that?
Definite.
Definite. Masculine. Singular or plural?
No. It's kitabu.
Kutubu. It's a broken plural, so singular feminine. Then kutubu damma, so marfu. Again al kitabu hakimun. It is the same one, right? But inna caused al kitabu to change to al kitaba. But to form the rule, it's the same. Al kitabu definite, singular, masculine, and in the rafa form. Then al hikmatu. Yes, sister.
Oh, which one? Okay. Definite.
Definite.
Masculine.
There's a mistake. That should be no.
Singular.
Oh,
One
I see.
before it
Okay, it's
should be
feminine.
Pardon?
feminine. There's a mistake. It should be
Is this-
feminine.
Which?
First in es. Alik.
Here?
No, I see.
Yeah,
she's-
there should be. That
What?
should be feminine.
Why?
Singular.
Al kitabu.
Okay.
Here is
That's feminine.
feminine. Okay? It's feminine. And it is singular
Singular, yes.
and in the rafa form. So you see, all are definite, but here it is singular, musanna, singular, singular, and singular. So it was open here. As regard the number, it's open. As regard the gender, it's open too. Masculine, masculine, and feminine, so it's open. But you find all the way these two things are permanent.
Also D.
Permanent value is definite, all of them are definite. This is definite, this is definite, right? This is definite, this is definite, this is definite. And if there is nothing affecting them, they are in that rafa form. And the other one, Hakim. Yes. आप करें. Hakimun. Indefinite. Singular. Masculine. Rafa form. Sahih. Hakimani.
Indefinite.
Indefinite.
Rafa.
Rafa. Masculine.
Singular.
Musanna. Hakimatun. Choice up. Yeah, okay, Samim.
Indefinite.
Indefinite.
Feminine.
Feminine.
Uh,
Singular.
Singular. And
Rafa form. Then Hakimun.
Indefinite.
Indefinite,
Singular.
singular,
And it is masculine.
masculine,
And it's
rougher form. And here is an exception. We can make a change for your convenience here. Instead of starting with the exception, fi kitabin. Al hikmatu fi kitabin. May change the translation also. Wisdom is in a book. Yes.
So it is indefinite,
Indefinite,
singular,
singular,
masculine,
masculine,
and proper.
in the jar form. Here again, fi has affected. But had it not been fi, but here the meanings need to be put fi there. So fi was there, and whenever there is fi, it has to make its action complete. Now, do you form a rule? Yes, sister. What's your question?
I was gonna verify the translation after you did what you did. Now would the translation change now into indeed
The wisdom is in a book.
as opposed to the book?
Ah.
Gotcha.
What's the rule?
indefinite.
Here we found that, and here indefinite is the rule. But I will say, listen to my statement. Whenever the first noun is definite and in rafa form, if there is no problem otherwise, and the second noun usually is in the indefinite form, then it's a complete sentence. No, this complete sentence basically is an answer to an imaginary question. What will be the question here? Statement is Al-Kitabu Hakimun.
Yeah.
This statement is an answer to a question. Which question is that?
Which book is Hakim? What kind of book
Is the book wise?
No, then the answer is yes or no.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can answer that way.
What's the book?
The book is wise.
The book is wise. In the question, the first noun has to be in a question. And since it's already in the question, so it has become definite. So you will start a sentence with a definite noun. A sentence in Arabic starts with a definite noun, and then the second component is usually indefinite. Usually. Why I say usually? If you ask me, what's your name? What I will say? My name is, ultimately my name is a proper noun. So I have no choice. I have to speak a proper noun which is a definite noun. But otherwise, the question, who are you? I can say, I am a man. I am a Muslim. I am a human being. Now it's a classical sentence that the second component is indefinite. But when you have no choice, the question is such that you have to answer a definite noun, then you have no choice. But classically speaking, when I just give an information other than a definite noun, then I will not say I am the human being. I will not say I am the Muslim. I will not say I am
The teacher.
the teacher. No. Then I am a teacher. The teacher is only one, Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Right? When you will talk of him, then to say he was a teacher, you will be hesitant. You like to say he was the teacher. So In special cases, the second component will be definite, otherwise it will be indefinite. I am a human being. Who are you? I am a human being. I am a Muslim. I am a Pakistani. Right? But when I have to tell my name, what's your name? Your question is, what's your name? I say, I am Abdus Samie. Who are you? And you want to you want to ask my name. Then I have to tell you my name. Then it will be definite. Otherwise, if I say human being, Muslim, etc., then it will be indefinite. What's the translation?
Allahu Akbar. Wise Allah. Allah is wise.
Allah is wise.
Is wise, yeah.
And this is
Allah the wise.
Allah.
Allahu al-Hakim. Allah is wise.
wise Allah.
Wise Allah.
Now this is definite.
That's it. Yeah.
But for Allah, since these are called Allah's name, when we will treat it as Allah's divine name, then yes, it can be a sentence. But for now, to start with, you will treat it as definite, so it will go to that category immediately. When you make this indefinite, this is of this category. But when you make it definite, it will go to the first category.
The last is Allah.
Do another one.
Believers are brothers. Believers are brothers. Sultan Sahab करेंगे try. Believers are brothers. First of all, tell me which category is this? Believers are brothers. Is it incomplete or a complete sentence? It's a complete sentence. So you have to come here. Believers. What's the translation of the believers? Al-mu'minuna. Al-mu'minuna. Okay. Now you have to ikhwatun. In Surah Al-Hujurat, innamal mu'minuna ikhwatun. Very simple. And if you have to say Muslim brothers,
Ikhwan Muslimin.
say it again.
Ikhwan Muslimin.
How? Ikhwanul Muslimin, Ikhwanun in Rafa form, Muslimin in the Jar form. Why?
No, I'm just saying that.
Now, first tell me which category is this? Muslim brothers.
It's incomplete, the relative.
The first one. Okay. Now, the Muslim brothers. Right? Okay, what's the? There are two translations of brothers. Ikhwatun and ikhwanun. Both means brothers.
Al-Ikhwan al-Muslim.
The Muslim brothers.
Al-Ikhwan.
Al-ikhwanu.
Al-Ikhwan Muslim. Muslim.
No. Write down. Al-ikhwanu. Okay. Which means the first one? Muslim first or ikhwan first?
Al-Muslim. Al-Muslim.
Muslim brothers. No, that arrangement was Kitabun Hakimun.
Al-Muslim.
In English, you normally change the arrangement.
So Al-Ikhwan goes first.
Al-Ikhwan
Al-Ikhwan is the book.
Al-Ikhwanul Muslimuna. First in Rafa form, definite, and make the analysis of Al-Ikhwanu. So this is definite, plural, masculine, and in the Rafa form. Al-Ikhwanul Muslimuna. Al-Muslimuna. Muslim brothers. Al-Ikhwanul Muslimuna. And if you say a few Muslim brothers, for Bible translation?
You Muslim brother?
A few Muslim brothers. Some Muslim brothers. Ikhwanul Muslimuna, simply you have to make it indefinite. Some, a few, when you say that, you mean indefinite. Al-Ikhwanul Muslimuna, the Muslim brothers. And Ikhwanul Muslimuna, some Muslim brothers, a few Muslim brothers. Allah is Lord of the worlds. Allah is Lord of the worlds. Allahu Rabbul Alameen. Allahu. So Allah is the first. First of all, you have to understand this is a complex construction. It contains two constructions in itself. One is Rabbul Alamina, Lord of the world. So this is here.
In the middle.
And this becomes the second component. The first would be Allah. So Allah is definite and in the Rafa form. So it qualifies to be the first of this category. Right? And then Rabbul Alameen, Lord of the worlds. So Rabb will be having no alif lam. And Rabbu, not Rabbun. Light Arab. So it qualifies to become the first component of the second category. And then words, Alamuna or Alamina. What should be our choice? Why?
Because of relative construction.
Why? Why not Alamuna, Alamina? What's the difference between the two? Majroor. You have to have the noun in the jar form. So Alamun will be Alameen, Al-Alamina. Allahu Rabbul Alamina. Allah is Lord of the worlds. Indeed, Allah is Lord of the worlds.
Inna Allah.
Inna Allah Rabbul Alamina. Rabbul Alamina, Allahu Rabbul Alamina, first Rabbul Alamina, Lord of the world. Allah is Lord of the world. Allahu Rabbul Alamina. Then, indeed Allah is Lord of the world. Inna Allah Rabbul Alamina, because inna has to affect the first noun of the sentence. Inna Allah Rabbul Alamina. Note down the terminology. Starting from here, the first noun of this category, qualifying construction, is known as Mawsoof. Mawsoof, the one who is being qualified. Mawsoof.
So Mawsoof means the one being qualified.
Yes. It's the victim of the sifat. Sifat is qualification, attribute. Mawsoof, and the second component is called sifa. Sifat or sifa, or naat. You know, if you say naat of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is the naat of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam being praised. So the second component is called sifat or naat.
There is not the manut.
हाँ जी, मनूत.
That will be manut Mawsoof.
लेकिन उसके लिए टर्म जो है वो मौसूफ इस्तेमाल होती है. Yes.
We have to finish in 2 minutes because I have to take the camera over there.
Yeah. Now come to the middle column. The first component is called Mudaf. The first component is called mudaf. Mudaf.
Double
And the second component is called mudafun ilay. Mudafun ilay. Mudaf, the relation of which is being established, and mudafun ilay, one to which the relation is being established. Mudaf, relation of which is being established, and mudafun ilay, the relation to which the relation is being established, mudafun ilayhi. And here the first component is called mubtada. Mubtada. One you start with. Mubtada. And the second one is called khabar. Khabar means news. Actually, second is the news about this. Al-Kitabu. What is Kitab? Al-Kitabu Hakimun. Kitab is wise.
You cannot say Kutubun Hakimatun Mudafan Mudafale.
No, this is here already. Kutubu Hakimatin. You will have to make alterations accordingly to fall into this category.
The same sentence right on top in the first column.
No, this is Kutubun Hakimatun. And this is Kutubu Hakimatin. The difference is, this is Kutubun with Tanween and here light. And here it was Rafa form, here it is Jar form. Card has been played. Thank you very much for today. Inshallah, we'll meet at 3 o'clock.